Okay, so today we're going to show you how to use your Google account and use your Google Drive and also your email. So the first thing you want to do is you want to click on the Google Chrome icon on the bottom. Once that comes up, you'll see the Google page. You want to go up to the top right corner where it says sign in and click on that. From there you want to enter your email and password. Your email will be your last name with the first initial of your first name at yumastudents.org. And then your password will be lowercase ysd with your lunch number and then capital Y. From there you'll go to almost an identical Google page, but in the top right corner it will have your email. That's how you know you're signed in. You'll want to go to the mail icon, and from here you can see your inbox. This is where you can send emails to other students and almost all the staff actually. You can also compose emails by clicking on the compose button on the top left. From there you can just type in somebody's name, and if they're in the school it should pop up. And you can type a subject and then also text in the email. And then you can also attach a file. You can attach Word files with the Attach Files button. And you can also attach a Google Drive file. So from here you can either send it or just exit out, and you want to go to the 9 squares on the top of the screen. Click on Google Drive. So now this is where all your documents are going to be. So you have My Drive and Shared with Me, which My Drive is any documents that you create, and Shared with Me, other people can share documents with you to either view or work on, but we'll get to that in a second. So from here you want to click on the Create button on the left and click on Document. Now this is basically like a simple Word document if you've ever used that. So you have all the basic file and edit and view and all that stuff. So here we're just going to show you that. And then you have all the normal text options. You have your fonts and your font size. And you can also bold, italicize, or underline, and even change the font. So from here, if you want to type something, you can then share it with anybody by clicking on the share in the top right corner. Name your document. And hit save. And then from here it will bring up this screen and it will say invite people, and you just want to start to type in someone's name. Then you just hit send. And so now Chris can view Trace's document. And then you just want to hit done from there. And it saves automatically in the drive, so you can just exit out of that tab. You want to go back to the Create button on the left side, and you can see Presentation. Click on that. This is like a basic Word or Office PowerPoint, so if you've ever used that, then you'll be good to go on this. Just click a theme to start with, and then hit OK. And this has also all the basic functions of PowerPoint, so you can add a title, and then a subtitle if you'd like. And from here you can do the same thing. You can share with people in the exact same way. So you can just close out of that. And from here, if you want to go back to the Create button, there's also Spreadsheet, which is like Excel, Form, and Drawing. So basically, if you've ever used Excel, you'll be good to go on this. It's just the basic spreadsheet. Has all the basic functions of Excel. and this is used for creating tables mostly. So now if you want to go back to the desktop, you can pull up Office, Word, and PowerPoint. Just go to All Programs, and then you can scroll down. So just in case you haven't used any of these before, we're going to show you how to do this too. So from here you can edit a lot of things in Word, and this is just to type basic essays and papers, and it has all the same functions, font size, font text, and then you can bold, italicize, underline. You can organize your paper with boundaries and headers and all that stuff that your teachers are going to require you to do for your papers. And then if you want to go back to the desktop, we can pull up PowerPoint too. So this is just giving you a good comparison of the two. So this looks a lot like PowerPoint on Google Drive. So you can add titles and subtitles just as same as before. You can do lots of things with the font, and you can also edit slides, which is pretty cool. You can have different transitions. And yeah, so it looks a lot like the Google PowerPoint, which is pretty cool. And then we'll show you how to use Excel real quick. Which, as we said, was like the spreadsheet on the Google Drive. And again, it will bring up a very similar screen, has all the same functions. You can use it to make tables, change font, all that good stuff that pretty much everything else has been able to do so far. So now if you want to close back out of that and go back to your Google, we'll show you how to sign out real quick so other people can't get into your information. So if you just go up to the top right where it says your email, you can just click on that and go down to sign out. And that is basically how to use your Google Drive and Google account to do almost all your schoolwork.